Alright guys, I'm out here with a pig. And there it is. I've never got to flown it outside. Flip. I've never got to fly it outside. But I'm going to today, and it's a little bit windy for a pig. But we're gonna try it, man. I mean, I haven't been able to really fly too much because it's been so windy around here. I mean, geez, every day is just, especially for little toys like this, it's really hard to get these things to do anything in the wind. Okay, I just did the level calibration. That's down and in. Now I'm not, believe me, I'm not thinking this is going to work at all. I got it at a third rate, so you can at least fight some of the wind off. It's actually pretty snappy, to be honest. Now the wind is coming at me, that's why it's pushing it back to me, so I'm not going to try to trim out anything. But it's actually flying pretty good. I'm flying pretty good. Way better than I thought it was going to be. Let's put it that way. Now I'm not going to push the range on this thing because, you know, we know what the deal is with that, right? It'll lose the bind and see you later. Got these lights on here. I see how I can turn them off. Okay. No, that changes them. Oh, I think that was a return to home here. No, it wasn't. Okay. Yeah, it's holding steady. The wind just died out for a second, so it's holding pretty steady right there. See, it's not moving at all hardly because I, did the level calibration, so I just haven't been able to figure out how to turn them lights off. I thought there was a way, but maybe I'm wrong. I'm not worrying about it. Just a couple flashing lights ain't gonna hurt too much of the flight time. Actually, this thing flies pretty good. That's me changing the rates and the speeds and stuff. Actually, I'm very surprised at how this thing's flying. I gotta be perfectly honest. Whoa! Yeah, it's starting to get a little gust is coming up, so I almost lost it in that tree, which it would have just hit it and fell, but still, it was almost a crash. Yeah, this thing's flying way better than I thought it was gonna. It scoots real good. This is the third rate. Yeah, good. Tomzon. There it did it that time. I didn't. Oh, okay, I saved it. I saved it. It's been dying to get into that tree right there. And it did it, finally. Is that light? Nope, not yet. I don't know if that threw the trim off or what. No, the wind is, no, it didn't. It's just that wind, it's gusting around, you know. Now I'll put the flight time in there. I'll put the little clock in. So we'll see how much flight time we're getting. But it's flying great. So I'm not complaining. I think the battery's starting to get a little weak when they start doing things like that. Because I didn't bring it all the way down there like that. That did that on its own. Let me check the flips real quick. See if I can get a flip. Oh yeah, so battery's still good. Just dropped like that all of a sudden. It does have optical flow on there. It's right there. Yeah, I think it's really working out good, man. I'm real happy with it. I think I'm gonna send it to my grandson. Yeah, it's definitely the battery's dying here. Yeah, the light's flashing. I can see it from here. Yep. So it just doesn't have enough oomph in it to keep it going. So yeah, flew great, man. Flew great. Tomzon A31. It's a legend. It's a legend. Alright guys, there you go. The A31, the Flying Pig. Have a nice day.